Ever copied a list into Excel and ended up with all the data jammed in one column? Like names, emails, and departments all squished together? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to instantly split that mess data into clean, organized columns using Excel's text to columns feature. Okay, let's go. Excel's text to columns tool lets you quickly split one column into many, using commas, spaces, or tabs. It's the fastest way to clean up messy data from emails, websites, or reports. Let's say we have this data in column A, starting from A2. We want to split this into 3 columns: full name, email address, and department. First, click and drag to select cells A2 to 11. Or just click A2 and press Ctrl plus Shift plus down arrow to grab all entries. Now, go to the Data tab on the ribbon and click Text to Columns. You'll see the Convert Text to Columns wizard pop up. Since our text is separated by commas, choose the first option, Delimited, and click Next. Now check the box next to comma. You'll immediately see a preview showing the data separated into 3 parts. Perfect. Again, click Next. By default, Excel will overwrite the original data. Let's avoid that. In the destination box, select the B2 cell. Or type B2 to start outputting the split data in the next columns. Always preview your destination cell to avoid overwriting anything important. Click Finish, and boom! Your data is now cleanly split into 3 columns. Now, let's say your data is like this instead. In that case, when you reach the delimiter step, you check space instead of comma. Or even both if needed. Just keep an eye on the preview window to ensure it splits correctly. Now, set the destination. Finally, click the Finish button. Need to combine first and last names? Insert a new column next to them and label it Full Name. First, click on cell D2. Now, type the full name by combining first and last name manually. Then go to the next cell and press Ctrl plus E to flash fill the rest. Done in seconds. Once done, you can delete the original first and last name columns and keep the clean, combined full name column. And that's how to split messy data in seconds using text to columns. Have a unique case or a tricky delimiter? Drop a comment. I'm here to help. If this tip saved you time, give it a like, share it with your team, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning for weekly Excel insights. Thanks for watching.